I'm studying sustainability at CMC, Colorado Mountain College, and I love it. It's so cool. It's changed my life in a lot of ways, and this is part of it. I'm doing a small mammal trapping project associated with the Forest Service. They're doing a 40,000 acre habitat restoration project, try to create more forage for the bighorn sheep and the elk and the mule deer. So we were trying to find out if the Forest Service was doing any small mammal trapping, because those guys are trapped in this locality, and so we need to monitor their populations to see if what we're doing is affecting them adversely or if it's really improving the habitat. We're doing 100 traps per night, 3 trap nights, and we just checked up to number 50, and we've found just 5 small mammals so far this morning, and man, they're cute. Why do I care? Because nature has taken a beating from what we've done as people to the environment, and everything's connected and we're not separated, and we need to try to reconnect ourselves to nature and nurture it and get it healthy again. Look how cute! I mean, this is so cool.